the best I ever had. And it's scary to say it, because if I ever really lose you, I wouldn't care to replace it. I'd rather leave the space vacant than lower the bar. Who would choose to lose their light and stand alone in the dark? I still see you in the stars, I still hear you in the rain. I will let you drive me crazy if you take away the pain. In my arms and it's okay, we stay tangled up for days, whispering I love you while the whole world fades away. Feels warmer in my soul, feels kinda like a home. Feels like you kissed me harder just to heal all my holes. Makes me more than whole, something bigger than myself. Makes me realize these moments are the only real wealth. And just in case the fates are jealous and we're ever pulled apart, know my thoughts are always with you and I hold you in my heart. Thankful, blessed, and grateful, so no matter how it ends, I am proud to call you lover, even more proud you're my friend.
Maybe you're not perfect, but you're perfect to me. I don't know what I'm doing here, still feels like a dream. Just come a little closer, dear, and we'll be complete. You can be my puzzle, and I'm your missing piece.
Let's get as naked as we wanna be, with no apologies. Moving closer consciously, connect on levels cosmically. Something like astrology, you move me like the moon. Your brown eyes burn like embers, completely lighting up the room. Oh, I know I barely show it, always one to keep my cool. But I came here to see you smile, it must be nature's perfect jewel. Let's break a couple rules, you say without risk there's no reward. So I say let's take this moment and go to places unexplored. In your aura, and I want more, moving towards a sacred place where love seeps into everything and dreaming feels safe. Let's slow dance with the planets, get romantic out in space. You keep me close to heaven when you're warm in my embrace. You nuzzle my cheek a little, and it feels fantastic, sentimental and enchanted when I'm under your magic. I'm not normally like this, unguarded and disarmed, but I think you fit me perfect, you got me totally charmed.
Maybe you're not perfect, but you're perfect to me. I don't know what I'm doing here, still feels like a dream. Just come a little closer, dear, and we'll be complete. You can be my puzzle, and I'm your missing piece.
Puzzle pieces,
You complete me.
puzzle pieces,
You complete me.
puzzle pieces,
Oh, 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 you complete me.
puzzle pieces.
Oh, you complete